Hello beautiful people. In this video we are talk about the 5 best hoverboard electric scooter you can buy Amazon. The electric hoverboard is a new innovation in the world of personal transportation. It's the first self-balancing scooter that hovers just like a helicopter. It has been hailed as the next big thing in personal transportation, and it's easy to see why. The benefits of using an electric hoverboard are many. For one, it's environmentally friendly as it cuts down on emissions from cars by replacing them with less noise and pollution. If you're looking for an alternative to your car, then this is a great option for you because it can get you from A to B quickly without having to worry about traffic or parking. We know that there are many reasons why people love electric hoverboards, but if you ask them, they will tell you it is because they can be used anywhere. They can be used in the park, at the mall, or even at home. Electric hoverboard uses an electromagnetic propulsion system that allows it to move without using a single motor or battery pack. This makes them much more efficient than their traditional counterparts. Electric hoverboard is the latest innovation in personal transportation. It is the first ever battery-powered self-balancing scooter that can carry a person up to 40 miles on a single charge. It has 4 wheels, each with its own battery, which means it can maintain balance even if one wheel stops working. Here are OnlyBetterOnes. We are a bunch of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze and research and new products and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. So if you are interested in any product, I have linked to each product description below. You can check if you want. If are new to this channel, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new video. Number 5. Willable. This electric self-balancing scooter is an ideal gift for kids aged 6 to 12. It includes a Bluetooth speaker capable of playing music and sound effects. This hoverboard is durable, safe, and has wheels that are 6.5 in diameter, so your child can ride it over the ground in style and still enjoy their ride. With its unique hoverboard design, kids will love the freedom to ride at any height, even on uneven surfaces. There's no need to worry about safety because Willable is safe and certified by VTech. Choose your favorite color and enjoy endless fun with their new Bluetooth speaker. Your child can take this board anywhere they want without having to worry about safety thanks to its patent-pending design that makes it impossible to fall off or lose control. Our hoverboards have passed all safety tests and are safety certified. Smart self-balancing system makes it easier than ever for beginners to learn riding a hoverboard. Built-in wireless speaker can be easily connected to portable devices in seconds. Just enjoy your favorite music or books without wearing headphones. Make your hoverboard the coolest one with extraordinary sound effect. Get your kids off the couch and on their way to success. Number 4. Ride SWFT. Now you can go anywhere with a Ride SWFT. With our top speed of 9 miles per hour and 8-mile distance, you'll be zipping around in no time. The LED lights and Bluetooth speakers make it the perfect nighttime ride. The all-new Ride SWFT is the latest release for the all-terrain scooter that loves to roll. The self-balancing hoverboard comes with Bluetooth speakers, powerful LED lights and top speed of 9 miles per hour. It's time to get mobile, so hop on your Ride SWFT and experience the freedom of a hoverboard. Get the kids to school in no time, see the sights in style, or enjoy the peace of mind that comes from being able to glide through puddles and safely land on both road and pavement. Not only will you be able to explore with ease, but you'll also be able to do it in style with a sleek new design, top-of-the-line safety equipment, and a premium sound system. The Ride SWFT is a speed, performance, and quality-driven motorized all-terrain scooter with a top speed of 9 miles per hour, Bluetooth speakers and LED lights. This self-balancing electric scooter has been built with the best materials and components to give you a smooth ride and an enjoyable experience. Trust the experts and order yours today with confidence, knowing that you are covered by our hassle-free, no questions asked return policy, as well as a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. In the unlikely case that your Sonic hoverboard is defective, we offer free replacement and our expert staff is always at your disposal for anything you might need. Ready to hit the road in style? Number 3. Hover. It's time to ditch your boring old 2-wheeled scooter and get yourself a hoverboard. Forget the hassle of gators, parking lots, and safety. The hoverboard has never been easier to ride with its smooth, effortless glide and its long-lasting lithium-ion battery that will provide you with hours of fun. It's a hoverboard unlike any other. With its 6-hour full-charge long-lasting lithium-ion battery, you can ride it at top speed for up to 7 miles in just one charge. It uses an amazing self-balancing technology that allows you to balance on a thin board while moving at 3 miles per hour. And with built-in LED path lights, it makes your journey even more enjoyable. You'll be cruising in style and comfort in no time. With its sturdy construction, powerful battery and long-lasting Li-ion battery, it's a joy to ride. This hoverboard is also fast and can reach speeds of up to 7 miles per hour with its powerful 380W motor. Step on one side first, the board stabilizes so you can put your other foot on. Controls are easy to learn. The hoverboard sends alerts if you are speeding or riding on unsafe surfaces so you can slow down and avoid mishaps. LED lights on both sides of the hoverboard adds visibility of any rider when it matters most. Always use safety gear when riding. We recommend Hover One helmet, knee, and elbow pads to protect yourself and keep the good times rolling. Number 2. Titan. The Titan is the first and only hoverboard that comes with built-in Bluetooth speaker and rider modes. Its 8 mph top speed, 8-mile range, and built-in rechargeable battery provide an unmatched riding experience for riders of any skill level. With the integrated Bluetooth speaker and rider modes, you can now jam out to your favorite tunes while cruising around the neighborhood or get a customized training plan tailored to your personal preference. Stand out from the crowd and ride on the Titan electric hoverboard, the first self-balancing electric hoverboard that's easy to use. This 8 mph top speed and 8-mile range electric hoverboard is easy to balance, has built-in Bluetooth speakers to play your favorite tune, and features rider modes for beginners to experts. It's time to get out and be free. Ride an affordable, lightweight and eco-friendly Titan electric hoverboard with built-in Bluetooth speaker. Jump on, start the engine with the touch of a button, and cruise at 8 miles per hour. It's easy to use and comes with a wide range of rider modes that will take you from beginner to expert in no time. The hoverboard sends alerts if you are speeding or riding on unsafe surfaces so you can slow down and avoid mishaps. LED lights on both sides of the hoverboard adds visibility of any rider when it matters most. Titan electric hoverboard is the perfect ride for you. Number 1. Hover White. The hoverboard electric scooter is an incredibly fun way to get around on your own 2 feet while still getting the benefits of a traditional hoverboard. This thing is sleek and stylish with a comfortable handlebar and LED light that illuminates in 4 colors and a kickstand. It's easy to store, transport and charge. Listen to music while riding the H1 hoverboard scooter. 6.5 wheels provides a smooth ride, 400W motors offers torque that easily gets up inclines of up to 15 degrees, and a top speed of 9 miles per hour over a 9-mile range. Step on one side first, the board stabilizes so you can put your other foot on. Controls are easy to learn, allowing you to smoothly accelerate-decelerate by applying pressure with your feet and/or leaning. Gyroscopes and acceleration sensors, the built-in inertia dynamic stabilization system keeps you in control. The H1 hoverboard scooter stabilizes the rider, controls balance and motion for a safe, stable and fun riding experience. Enjoy your favorite track or playlist with the built-in Bluetooth 4.0 speaker. Switch between the 3 skill modes, enable GPS tracking, play pause music, and customize your LED lights with the Android iOS compatible Bluetooth app. Always use safety gear when riding. We recommend Hover One helmet, knee, and elbow pads to protect yourself and keep the good times rolling.